Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for May 27th through June 8th. For May 27th to the 31st, our amplified pattern remains locked in place. We have a trough here, a deep trough in the west, and a strong ridge covering the southeast with above normal heights in the east. And we also have this upper low here that will have some of its circulation across the northern states. And the models are good agreement. As we scan through some of the models, you see generally in good agreement. So during this period, the southeast will experience extreme heat with temperatures of 10 to 20 degrees above normal, and temperatures near 100 degrees will be possible. The warm air will spread northward over the east through midweek, but it will be less extreme. And a front will provide cooler air later in the week. A trough ejecting from the west will lead to cool conditions with temperatures 10 to 20 degrees below normal from California into the Great Basin and the northern and central plains. Now also during this period, we're going to get here, we're expecting heavy rainfall to continue across the central states. So here we're looking at, here's our first system. This is 2 a.m. Monday, and you can see we have heavy rain, possible storms here. And this is GFS. Here's the European. The European. Then we go to 2 p.m. on Monday, and we have rain occurring up. Whoop. Get back to 2 p.m. and we have rain occurring here. Heavy rainstorms, snow across the higher elevations of the central and northern Rockies. Not heavy snow, will be in the form of snow. And then we go to 8 p.m. on Tuesday, and you can still see there's like heavy rain here, possible storms again, leading to more flooding. This area is not getting any break. And then we have snow here back into the Rockies. This is European, here's a GFS. And then if we go later in the week, where was it? Like towards Saturday, June 1st, we have another round of heavy rain and storms here in the center of the nation. So this will lead to a possibility of continued flooding, flash flooding, as some of the rain might fall in a short time. Okay, back to the long-range pattern. Now we're going to look at the period for May 30th through June 3rd. Here we are at May 30th. The pattern remains generally the same. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and for this region. And I'm forecasting anomalies at 6 to 12 degrees above normal. And we have below normal temperatures here and a forecast anomalies at 6 to 12 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation across this area here and this region. And the probability of occurrence of below normal precipitation is 35%. And we have above normal precipitation for this region here, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. Now for June 4th to the 8th, the thinking remains the same. The pattern starts out amplified, but then gradually de-amplifies as going to more of a zone of flow. And this will happen as the western trough weakens and the southeast ridge is suppressed to the south across the Gulf Coast states into Mexico. So the models are showing this, and you can see to some extent this is the NAEFS and then the European, all showing amplification. The European ensembles really has this ridge really suppressed down across the Gulf. So we're looking for some tendency of a trough here, maybe in the east. We'll have to see how that goes. But for now, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the west and for this region here. And I'm forecasting numbers of 4 to 8 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast for here. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation here. And for the Gulf Coast states in the southeast, the probability of occurrence is 35%. And then we have above normal precipitation from the central northern plains into the Midwest. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for May 27th through June 8th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.